السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إن الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا. من يهده الله فلا مضل له ومن يضلل فلا هادي له وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. الحمد لله. Today we are going to study about Surah Al-Kafirun and Al-Kafirun. It is actually Ismul File from Al-Kafir, infidel, disbeliever, al-kafir, the disbeliever. So it is jam'u muzakkar salim, and kafirun ismul fa'il. So this is actually Makki surah, and 6 verses are there, and in Quran it is 109th surah, al-kafirun. Aisha, can you recite?
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Wa alaikum assalam.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل يا أيها الكافرون لا أعبد ما تعبدون ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد ولا أنا عابد ما عبدتم ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد لكم دينكم ولي دين.
Jazakillahu khaira, taqabbalallahu minki, alhamdulillah. So first ayah will study inshallah. Ghazala Yasmin, can you join? Rabia Lucky.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aisha, Qul, it is which verb?
فعل أمر.
Fil Amr, very good. What is the root letter and file?
قاف واو لام. فاعل is أنت. It's ممنون.
Okay, what does it mean? Qul,
Say.
say. Okay, as far as Ya Ayyuha is concerned, so just learn today. Ya, you know that it is harfunida, to call someone. Harfunida. And Ayyu, it is actually munada. It is called munada. And Ha, it is called harfu tambi. Harfu tambi to get someone's attentions. Ayyuha. So when you say ayyuha, this ha is for tambi, that someone should raise his ears, that someone will be going to be called. Al-Kafirun, it is, sometime it is said that in this kind of sentence, ayyu, it is munada, and al-kafirun, it is badal of ayyu, or sometime they are saying it is the sifa of ayyu. So anyhow, we'll keep it like that. Later on, someday we'll study in detail. So, qul ya ayyuhal kafirun. So al is here for making it marifa. Now, today I'm going to teach you about this al, which is attached to ismul file. This al is very important. Whenever any al is attached to ismul file or ismul maf'ul, you can say that this al is representing ismul mausul. Okay, Aisha?
Yeah. اسم الموصول.
Okay. What? And sentence, it can be like that, because this is kafiruna jama, alladhina kafaru. Okay. Alladhina kafaru. Or it can be alladhina yakfuruna. Okay.
Okay.
Yakfuruna. Alladhina yakfuruna. So this al is actually representing alladina. Why allazina? Because it's plural. If it is single al kafir, it will represent alladhi. That's why when we are translating marraf bil lam ismul fa'il, we are saying like that, those or these. So qul ya ayyuhal kafirun, say, O disbelievers, O those who disbelieved, O those who will disbelieve. Now, the point, why it is not with alladhina, why it is al. So may Allah forgive me for any mistake. Point number 2, we talked about al, it is one. Second point, what is ismul fa'il? Why any verb is not being used? Why ism is used? Always remember from here and onwards, whenever we have noun, it is more stronger than verb. There is more emphasis. I'll give you an example. Ana dhahibun. Ghazala, what does it mean?
I am the person who goes will be zahibun.
Yes, I am going.
Yes, I am going.
I am going. If I say azhabu, okay,
Yes.
what does it mean?
You all go.
Ana adhabu, fail mudare, ana fa'il ghazala.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes. Azhabu.
You forgot?
No, sir. Fele mudare.
Azhabu, fail mudare, fa'il ana. Okay. I am going. It is also having meaning same. I am going or I will go. There are two chances. It can be in mustaqbil, it can be in present, future or present.
Yes.
It can be one of the both. No difference between both. When I'm saying ana dhahibun and adhabu, just think both the meanings I want to take the meaning for present. I am going and adhabu also I want the meaning present. But the difference is there. When I'll say adhabu, I'm going, there is no emphasis. Okay, just I said lightly, adhabu, I'm going. Maybe, but it is a possibility. There can be a delay. There can be a stopover. There can be something which will halt me to go. But when I say I am saying ana dhahibun, it means surely I am going. There is no other option. Okay, Ghazala?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Now, the difference between ana dhahib, if we put here al, I told you before also, I think if you remember. Now, there is a hasar, ana dhahib.
Yes.
Maybe there are 4 people sitting. I said ana dhahib. It means from these 4, I am the one who is going. I am the one who is leaving, for sure. Ana dhahib.
Yes.
Now, this al is represented to ismul mawsul. Ana alladhi adhabu. Okay? Ana alladhi
Yes.
adhabu.
Yes, sir.
I am the one who will leave. Now, another point. If ismul fa'il is having al, which is representing ismul mawsul, now the translation or the meaning, how it can be done. Actually, this is another important point. This al ismul mawsul, somehow, this is called in Arabic terminology al ismi. Al ismi. So you need to keep in mind when, especially in the sentence, because here it is not the sentence, it is mufrad. So here we cannot take this thing in consideration. But when ismul fa'il is used in the sentence, then the translation of that thing can be done in future, can be done in past, then can be done in present. But ismul fa'il without al only will be translated in the present or future, no past. So this
Okay.
ismul fa'il with al is very strong. Just you can imagine that when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, Qul ya ayyuhal kafirun, it means what? Whoever in the past, whoever will be in the future, and who are in the present, they should all listen. You understood, Ghazala, now?
Yes, sir.
If we'll say Allah yakfuruna, now yakfuruna is for future, okay?
Yes, sir.
For what for those who are presently kafir or they are in the past kafir, it means they are continuing kafaru. So it means
Yes, sir.
they will be exempted, right? But al kafiruna, no one is exempted till the yawmul qiyamah. Qul ya
Yes, sir.
ayyuhal kafirun, oh those who will be disbelieving, who disbelieved and who are continuously disbelieving presently, all should listen.
Yes, sir.
This is very strong. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala open your hearts to understand the deepness of this small, looking like a very small thing, but it is very deep in meaning. So, Qul ya ayyuhal kafirun. And another thing. Now, whenever we say yakfuruna, it means they are practicing kufr. Okay? But
Yes, sir.
we are not sure that they will not believe someday. Right, Ghazala?
Yes, sir.
One guy, for example, he is disbelieving now. I say, yakfuru Khalidun. Khalid is disbelieving, right?
Yes, sir.
But I'm not sure in the future he will be same or no, right?
Yes.
Maybe he can believe.
Yes.
And in the past, I say, kafara Khalidun. Khalid disbelieved.
Yes.
It means I presented dawa, he disbelieved, correct?
Yes, sir.
I am presenting dawa, Khalid yakfuru. Khalid is disbelieving. It means he is continuing. He is not stopping. But when I say Khalidun Kafirun, it means that Khalid is hard on his disbelieving. He is not going to leave his opinions.
Okay.
So in ism, in noun, there is certainty, there is surety. But in verb, there is a chance. Like it is, you can say someone is continuing. This meaning will be very important during this Quran study. Okay. Maybe I will not be
Yes,
going to
sir.
repeat every time, but just I'm giving you an idea that how you should think that when there is a verb, it's mean, especially fil mudare, it means you should think it can be translated in the present according to the ayah, if ayah is referring to the same condition. But if ayah is talking about the future, we can say someone is continuing something. Continuously they are disbelieving. So here, al-kafirun mean anyone who has already announced, khalas, I am not going to believe. So they will be called al-kafir.
Yes.
That they announced they are not going to believe. So they announced themselves. And they are sticking to their opinion. So it is called ismul fa'il and ismul mufa'il. And ism, noun or nominal sentence is far more stronger than the verbal, because in verbal, you have past, it means something done. In future, it means something is continuously being done. And it can be stopped somewhere. But when noun is used, it means it is coming very hard. Okay. قُلْ يَا أَيُّهَا الْكَافِرُونَ, O disbelievers. Now, we'll move forward. Ghazala, what is la?
La is nafi.
It is nafi or nahi?
Nahi. Sir, it is nafi.
It is nafi. So what is the
Yes.
difference between nafi and nahi?
Sir, la nahi will make fail mudare majzoom.
Very good. La nahi will make fil mudare majzoom. Okay. Rabia Laki, abudu. It is which verb?
Abudu is fil mudare.
Good. Aisha, what is the fa'il of abudu?
فاعل is أنا.
Good. Rabia Laki, what is the root letter of abudu?
Aba,
Not
ain,
a,
ba.
ain.
Yeah, ain, ba, dal.
Ain, ba, dal. What is the root letters from chapter? Noon. Okay. Abada.
Noon, yep.
What does it mean, la abudu, Rabia?
La abudu. I don't worship.
Okay, I don't worship. La abudu.
Mm.
Now we'll go to ma
Yep.
ta'buduna. Now remember, in the sentence, when the ma is coming, this ma, most of the time, it will be ismul mawsul. Okay?
Yep.
And it will be maf'ul or fa'il. Mostly it will be maf'ul. So Ashifa, now this ma is fa'il or maf'ul here?
Sir, maf'ul
Maf'ul, very good. Maf'ul for who? For abudu or ta'buduna?
for a'budu.
For abudu. La abudu ma. Okay? Ta'buduna. Tell me, Sana Afzal, ta'buduna, which verb?
Yes, sir. Tabuduna is muzare.
What is the
Fail
file?
muzare. Its file is antum.
Is antum. Good. Okay, what is the translation, Rabia Lakif? Sorry, Aisha, what is the full translation now?
I don't worship what you worship.
I do not worship what you worship. Okay. Now, as just observe, I just given you explanation about fail mudare. And here it is also used fail mudare. It means this is present. La abudu. I am not worshipping. I do not worship. Okay, I'm not going to worship. There's the difference. I am not worshipping. La abud. I'm not worshipping. And it means that this act I'm doing continuously. But I am not worshipping. For what? Ma ta'buduna. What you are worshipping. See, ta'buduna. This is fail mudare. It means you are doing this thing continuously. Okay? Aisha, Rabia,
Yes.
Ghazala, this point is very important.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just observe. Here it is used fail mudare. It is used fail mudare. Now this fail mudare will get changed. See, it is changed. Wala antum abiduna. Okay. Sabiha, la is what?
Lie nafi, sir.
Okay. Salih, antum is what in the sentence?
Mubtada, sir.
Very good. Mubtada. And abiduna is what, Rabia Laki?
Is a cover.
What is this? Ism or verb?
Is abidun is a noun. Ism.
Which type of ism?
Uh, ma.
Ghazala, abiduna, which type of ism?
Sir, it is a small file.
Okay. So what is the translation, Ghazala?
And not you are worshippers.
Wala antum abiduna. Abidun, ismul file. It means something is being said with certainty, with emphasis. Wala antum abiduna. And nor you are going to worship. Ma abudu. Ma abudu. Okay. Abudu fail mudare. Ana file. Ma ismul mawsul. Ma abudu. What I am worshipping. Means you are, nor you are going, you are worshippers of what I worship. Now this ma is important. This ma is maf'ul ismul mawsul. Okay. And this maf'ul of what? Maf'ul
Abiduna.
of
File abiduna.
ismul file. Because ismul file, it is also working as verb also. So wala antum abiduna ma abudu. But why here fil mudare is not being used? I already explained you. In the previous ayah, it was done that you are continuously doing something. And in second verse, it is emphasized for the surety. Wala antum abiduna. Mean you are worshipping the idols. Wala antum abiduna. And not, you are not going to worship. It means I'm sure that your behavior is telling that in the future that you are not going to do that. That's why it is not said with fail mudare. It is being used by ismul file, by noun and nominal sentence. You are surely not going to do that. So that is the difference between verb and noun. Okay, in the next sentence we'll move. Now see, subhanallah, just observe the changes. That's why I always say Arabic language, there is no substitute of Arabic language. How the things are being changed. First, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said to Rasulullah that say them, what? La a'budu, ma ta'buduna. Fil mudare, you are continuously worshipping something. In next ayah, wala antum abiduna. You are not going to worship what I worship, ma a'budu. It means I am continuously worshipping something. You are not going to worship that. Subhanallah. Just observe the change in next ayah. Wala ana abidun. With certainty, with surety. Okay, tell me, Sana, Afzal. Ana, what is the status of Ana in sentence?
Sir, Ana is Mubtada here.
And Abidun?
Abidun is its khabar.
Okay, wala
Ismul
ana
fa'il.
abidun. Nor I will be worshipping. Wala ana abidun. This la nafi. Okay, this waw ataf on the previous sentence. Abidun ma abattum. Ma, now this is again ism mawsul maf'ul for abid. Abattum fil madi. What is the file, Rabia Laki?
Antum.
Antum. Now, this abidun, it is telling that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam announcing to kuffar, to disbelievers, that I am not going to do that. So be sure. So don't call me to your idol worshipping. Wala ana abidun. It is not coming by fail mudare. It is coming with the ism that in the future, even it will not going to happen. Wala ana abidum ma abadtum. Whatever you worship, I'm not going to worship it. So, again, this is emphasis only. Wala antum abiduna ma abud. Same sentence, nor you will be worshipping of what I worship. The same ayah, which is previously we explained. That is the last one. Okay, Ashifa, what is the status of lakum in the sentence?
Sir, lam harf jar, kum ism majroor, jar majroor, shibhu jumla khabar muqaddam,
Very good. And dinukum?
mubtada muakhar, deenu mudaf, kum mudaf ilayhi.
So, what does it mean? Lakum dinukum.
For you, your religion. For you all, antum.
Very good. Lakum, for you all, your religion, waliyadini. Okay, the same sentence, just only small change. Dini, it is yani, ana li. So, khabar muqaddam, mubtada muakhar, and for me, my religion. So here, ya mutakallim mahzuf. Okay, this is the style of Quran. So lakum dinukum waliyadini. For you, your religion. For me, my religion. Rabia Laki, what does it mean? For you, your religion. For me, my religion.
In here is uh, for for you is your religion and for me is my religion. You were asking what does mean that? So that it doesn't mean it is giving the permission for them to their religion, their things like what you are guys doing, you guys can do.
Yes, it's very good point, Rabia. It does not mean that you are given permission that what you are doing is right. It is just a saying, okay, what you are doing, keep doing, you will come to know.
Yep.
And for me, what I'm doing, I will be keep doing. That is my religion. But another point which people got misunderstood, what they are saying, that don't give dawah to anyone. Why? Because lakum dinukum waliyadini. No, that is the stupid point. Some people, they use this verse in this meaning also, that Allah said in Quran, lakum dinukum waliyadini. So it means dawah is not required. No, it does not mean that. This sentence, this ayah or this point is said when you given dawah, and the guy who has been given dawah, he is refusing and refuting, and he is continuing on his opinion. So just tell them, and finally, no more argument. Lakum dinukum waliyadini. You have your religion, follow your religion, your practices. I will follow my practices. it means I am what I'm doing, I am on the right path, and you are doing wrong, so keep doing wrong. No problem, you will come to know. But some people in this era, especially last 5-7 years, people are start using this ayah just not to give dawah, that don't disturb other religion. Who said that? Especially these people who are especially Shia. So don't, it means some people, they will come to you, no, don't touch Shias. Why don't touch Shias? It means we should not tell them that you are not only wrong, you are big wrong. You are the big wrong numbers. So don't be wrong number. We have to tell them. No, they are saying, no, Allah said in Quran, lakum dinukum waliya dini, so no need to disturb some others. It means you don't know the real reason, because the Surah Kafirun, when it was revealed, it revealed when this kuffar, they tried to come in discussion with Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They offered him something, they refused to follow Islam. So Allah revealed finally, Qul ya ayyuhal kafirun. Al kafirun. It means you are already announced yourself kafir, you are not going to accept it. So listen from us. Lakum dinukum waliya dini. Finally, follow your way, we'll follow our way. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for you and me and for us all to understand Quran and to understand the real meaning, why the noun is used, why the verb is being used. Now when you are reciting Quran yourself, please, I request you, just don't focus what we are learning here. Whenever you are reciting by yourself Quran, just observe there these things. Oh, it is verb here. Why noun here? Why is fail mudare here? Why here ismul fa'il? Why this ismul fa'il is with al and why it is without al? What is the difference? Okay, I hope you will do. Okay, Rabia, Aisha, Ghazala, and all others.
Yes, sir.
Inshallah.
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 Okay. Jazakumullahu khaira. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Allahumma salli wa sallim ala nabiyyina Muhammad. Ameen ya rabbal alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.